Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have started our chapter number 6, that was bar graph. In that we have learned how to draw x-axis, y-axis on the graph paper. We have just seen how the pictograph we are doing through our graph book and in our graph paper. Now today we are going to start with our new exercise, that is practice set 18. Now in this exercise there are graph given, there are bar graph shown, and some questions they have asked you. That questions I hope you people are giving answers through a chat box. Now here I will just first explain regarding the graph. Now here scale is given on y-axis 1 unit equal to 5 degrees Celsius. The dot, upper dot is our degree. So here I will explain that 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Oh, sorry, 1 unit equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Now there is x-axis line, y-axis line. In x-axis, name of the cities are given, and in y-axis, temperatures are given. Now in x-axis, name of the city. The city name is given Panchgani, Pune, Chandrapur, Matheran, Nashik. The name of the cities are given on the x-axis, and the name of the cities are then Pune, Chandrapur, Matheran, Nashik. And on y-axis, the degrees are shown, that is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The degrees are given, the temperature degrees are given on y-axis. See, Panchgani. Panchgani is showing how much degree? Just write in the chat box first. Panchgani, the first name of the city. Panchgani is showing how much degree? Very good, Sugat Mane. Arnav Ghag, very good. It is showing 25 degree. Okay. The next Pune is showing how much degree? Pune. Pune is showing 30 degree. Student, you are just going to write the answers in your workbook. You're not going to draw it because it is already in your workbook or in your textbook. So you people are going to write the answers. Now the third is Chandrapur. Chandrapur is showing how much degree? Very good. Chandrapur is showing 35 degree. Matheran. Matheran is showing how much degree? How much degree Matheran is showing? Very good. 25 degree. And the last name of the city is Nashik. Nashik is showing how much degree? Okay, 30 degree. That means you people have understood the bar. The bar showing the degrees of each and every cities with the temperature. Now we will just observe the graph and answer the question. You just see, you have seen the graphs, that is x-axis, y-axis, degrees are given, then cities are given, scales are also given on the right side of the graph one. Then now you are going to observe the graph and you are going to give the answers of the following question. Now our first question is, what data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal line? Now what data? Now which data is shown on the vertical and horizontal line? Which data is shown? Very good. Both the answer I want. Yes. Sanskruti, which data? Question is regarding data. Yeah, the data of name of the cities and temperature. Very good part. The data, what is it is given? The name of the cities and the temperature. See, listen it once again the question. What data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal line? Now, what data is given? The data of cities and temperature. Very good. So you are going to write answers in your workbook. I'm dictating you the answers. Just listen it properly and write down in your book. Yeah. The temperature of the cities. See, this is statement sum. So you have to write in a statement. You will not write only the answer, that is cities and temperature. You will write in a full form. The temperature of the cities are shown on the vertical line. Names of the cities are shown on the horizontal line. I hope you people have understood. Now the first answer we have completed. In first answer, the temperature and the cities are shown in the vertical and the horizontal lines. Now moving to our next question. Our second question. Which cities has the highest temperature? Which city? You can observe the very good. Which city? Chandrapur. Chandrapur is having the highest temperature. So your full statement you are going to write. You are going to write Chandrapur having the highest temperature. Okay. So we will move to our third question. See, you people will make your own answer, own statement. Just see to the question and make your answer. Now the third question is, which cities had equal maximum temperature? Now equal means दोनों. Which cities? ऐसे कौन सा cities है जिसका maximum equal temperature है? Which cities having the equal temperature? Maximum, हाँ, but maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा. सबसे ज़्यादा but equal. Yes, is Pune and Nashik. Very good. You people are giving a right answer. It is Pune and Nashik. So what you will write answer? Which cities had equal maximum temperature? Cities like Pune and Nashik had equal maximum temperature. Both the cities, Pune having 30 and Nashik also having 30. So maximum they having equal temperature. So the name of that city is Pune and Nashik. Okay. Now we will move to our fourth question. Now our fourth question is, which city had a maximum temperature of 30 degree? Which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degree? See, now which city? Same question but in a different way. They ask you which cities has a maximum temperature of 30 degree. यहाँ पे कौन से दो cities है? Only Pune and Nashik. So what answer you will write? You are going to write Pune and Nashik had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees C. Very good. Everyone is giving the right answer. Ayush, Sugat, Parth. Very good. Very good. Everyone. Vedika. Yeah. Now last question. Now our last question is, what is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Listen it properly, the last question. What? First listen it and then afterward give the proper answer. What is the difference between? Difference means दोनों का difference. दोनों में क्या difference है? Between the maximum temperature of Panchgani. Now Panchgani is having how much degree? It is having 25 degree and Chandrapur having 35 degree. So दोनों का difference means what you have to do? Subtract. You have to subtract the degree. That is 35 degree should be subtracted from 25 degree. And what will be the difference? Difference. Very good. Difference will be of 10 degree. Difference will be of 10 degree because if I subtract 35 from 25, we are getting answer as 10. So that will be the difference between the Panchgani and Chandrapur. I hope you people have understood what is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur. So Panchgani having 25 degrees Celsius and Chandrapur having 35 degrees Celsius. If we find the difference, that means 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25, what is remaining? 10. So the difference between Chandrapur and Panchgani is 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius. Very good. Now I hope you people have understood the how to observe the graph and answer the following question. I hope you people have understood how to observe the graph and write the answer through the looking through the question. So student, here we have completed our practice set 18. Now we will move to our next one, next exercise, that is practice set. Now we will move to our next practice set, that is practice set 19. Now here in this practice set, you are going to do the sums in a graph book. First, I will explain you how you are going to do it, and then I will give you 5 minutes for constructing the graph in the graph book. I hope my instruction is been clear for everyone. First, just see how you are going to do it, and afterward you are going to do as I give you the time for doing that sums. See student, the student who doesn't having the graph book, they can do in the notebook. Now the first question of problem set 19. The name of the heads of some family in a village and quantity of drinking water the family consume in one day are given below. Now here the name of the family is given and the quantity of water, drinking water, how much the family members are taking, that is also given. What you have to do? You have to draw a bar graph for this data. And here scale is also given. I told yesterday only the scale is also given. So you have to see the scale, that is on y-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 10 liter of water. Now here, first of all, the name of the head of the family in a village is given and how much water they are consuming in one day, that is given. You have to draw a graph for this data. Now whatever data is given, that you have to draw it, and their scale is also given. The scale is y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 10 liter of water. Now first the table is shown over there. In table, names are given and liter of water used are given. Now in the first, names are given and liters of water used it is given. Names are Ramesh, Shobha, Ayub, Julie, Rahul. Whatever the names are given, that names you are going to write on which line? The names whichever is given on the table, that name you are going to write on which line? Very good. You are going to write the name on the x-axis. Very good. Now next is what given? Liter of water used. Now liter of water. Ramesh, how much he drink water? 30 liter. Shobha 60 liter. Ayub 40 liter. Julie 50 liter. And Rahul 55 liter. So the liter you will write on which side? You will write, very good, you will write on the y-axis side. Just first listen it properly and then afterward you are going to construct it. This is my humble request for everyone. Just listen it properly first and then you are going to do in your graph book. Now here I am showing you the graph which I have done. Now see student, X-axis, what you have to do? You have to leave one line and then you have to draw one line of x-axis. Then on the left side, you have to leave one line and you have to draw a line of y-axis. You should put arrow for closing that line on x-axis also and on y-axis also. Then what you have to do? Then what you have to do? You have to write scale. First, you have to draw x-axis line and y-axis line. Then you have to write scale. Scale is already given in the book. It is given on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 liter of water. So your scale will start with the table of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it clear, everyone? The scale, whatever is given, that same scale you are going to write it down, and you have to use that same number for starting on the y-axis, that is 0, 10, 20. Now after making a line of x-axis, y-axis, now x-axis, what you are going to write? You are going to write the heads of family, because it is given in the question, name of the head of the family. So you will write heads of the family on x-axis line, and on y-axis line you will write water used, bracket, in liter. How much water they have used, that you will write on the y-axis line. I told you can write on the blank line also. It is right only. If you are writing on the upside also, that is also right. Now it is your choice where you are going to write, but it should be written downward, not on the upward. Now, as you complete for writing head of the family and water use in the liter, then the main thing, you have to leave one box and then you have to write the name of the family member. That was Ramesh. Then once again leave one box, then write name, another name, that is Shobha. Then leave one line, then write Ayub. Then leave one line, leave one box, and then write another name, that is Julie. Then once again leave one line and you will write the last name, that is Rahul. Yesterday I told you you have to leave one box and then you have to write the name of the member. So here first is Ramesh, second is Shobha, third is Ayub, fourth is Julie, and fifth is Rahul. The same way, you are not going to do jumbled. You are going to do one by one whatever question is given. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले मैं राहुल का नाम लिखूं, then Shobha, then Ramesh. No, whatever is given in sequence wise the question, the same way you are going to write, but leaving one boxes. I hope till here you people have understood. Then the scale, the main part you are going to write the scale. The scale is given 10 liter of water. So you are not going to start with 5, 10, 15. You are going to start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What is the highest over there? The highest over there is given 55. No, the highest over is given 60. So you are going to do the numbering till 60. Now the main thing. Now here, as we written all the things, now main we have to draw a bar. Now first we will see the bar of Ramesh. Now Ramesh is given how much? Ramesh is given 30 liter. Now in front of 30 you will make a bar of that box only. You will not take two box. You will take the one box only and you will draw a bar of 30. Then Shobha, it is given 60. So Shobha को तुम क्या करोगे? Till where? Till 60. So you will use scale for writing, for making that line. So Shobha is 60. So till 60 you are going to make a bar. Then next is Ayub. Ayub is 40. So Ayub का जो box है, there you will see till 40. So In front of 40, you will make a bar. Okay. Then just listen it properly. Then is Julie. Julie is how much? Julie is 50. So in front of 50 and Julie name के सामने only you will draw a 50 bar. 50 bar. Now the last thing, just listen it properly. The last Rahul. Rahul is given 55. Listen it properly. But in our line, in our y-axis, we have not written 55. So what if this type of sums are coming? I told you yesterday only the smaller lines are 10 line. The smaller line are 10 line. So what you have to do, your 55 is given. So that time what you will do? 50 के आगे जो छोटे छोटे लाइन्स होते हैं that line you will count till 5 so it will become 55. Listen properly once again. 55 is not in a number of liter. So after 50 you will count that small line till 5. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So here will be 55. See, you can see over here it is in the middle of the 50, above 50 and middle of the 60. So here 55 will be after 50 the small 5 line and then you will draw a bar. So if this type of sums are coming, you have to count that line and that line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it becomes 55. So you will draw a bar over there. Now I hope you people have understood. I'm giving you 5 minutes for making a graph. After that, I will check through your webcam. So student, we have done with first sums. Now we will move to our next second question. See, the names and the number of animal in a certain zoo are given below. Now here the names and numbers of animals in a certain zoos are given below. You have to use the data to make a bar graph. The data are also given over there. So you have to use that and you have to make a bar graph. Now here scale is also given. Scale is given on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 animals. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 centimeter. So your scale, 1 centimeter equal to 4 animal. So your scale will start from 4, 8, 12, 16, the table of 4. Now, first of all, you will draw x-axis, then y-axis. X-axis में what you are going to write the what you are going to write on x-axis? Very good. Tanishka, names. Which names? Only names? No. Very good, Kushagra. Rashid. Names of animals. Very good. On y-axis, what you are going to write? And on y-axis, what you are going to write? Number of animals. Very good, Anurag Ghag. Numbers of animals. And on the right side of the top, what you are going to write? Right side of the top, what you are going to write? Very good. You are going to write the scale. I hope you people have understood. Okay. So we will just see. Okay. Just see first the graph, then do it. Okay. Now on x-axis, we have written the names of animal And on y-axis we have to write the numbers of animal. Then on last we have to write names of animal, and on y-axis number of animal. The names are given: deer, tiger, monkey, rabbit and peacock. But first of all, what we have to write after making the x-axis and y-axis, we have to write the scale that is on the right side of the graph paper. So scale, it is already given. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 animals. Now the names of animals, we have to leave one box, then we have to write the name of animal. So leave one box, write deer, leave one box, write tiger, leave one box, write monkey, leave one box, rabbit, then last one, that is peacock. Now here the scale is starting from 4. So you have to write the table of 4, that is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, because our highest number is 20. Deer having the highest number, that is of 20. So till 20 you people will write over on the y-axis. Then what you are going to do? You are going to see first animal. The first animal is deer. So deer is how much number given in front of deer? It is given 20. So deer ka bar kya hona chahiye? Till 20. The next is tiger. Tiger is given 4. So tiger bar will be of 4. The next is monkey. It is of 12. So in front of 12 you are making bar. Then next is rabbit. That is 16. So here 16 you are going to make a bar. And the last one is peacock. So peacock is given 8. So here till 8 you will draw a bar. And then last part you will color the bar. You will color it. So I hope you people have understood the second question also, how to draw a bar graph by using the following data. Now here we have completed our second sum. Now we will move to our third sum. Here the third question is, the table below given the numbers of students who took part in a various item of the talent show as a part of annual school gathering. Now here different parts are given, different various items are given in a table where the students are participating in the annual school gathering. Now here what you have to do, you have to make a bar graph to show this data. You have to make a bar graph to show this data. Scale is also given. Scale is on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 children. Now here scale is given 1 centimeter equal to 4 children. So here in that table programs names are given and number of children are given. In that programs are given and number of children are given. So program first is theater. Theater there is 24, then dance there is 40, then vocal music there is 16, instrumental music is 8, and one act play is 4. So either here all the data are given regarding the program and number of children. So we are going to draw, we are going to make a bar graph with these data. You can see over there are x-axis, y-axis. X-axis we have to write the program, and y-axis we have to write the number of students. Then we have to write scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 children or student. Children or students are one another same. If you are writing student, that is also right, and if you are writing children, that is also right. Now next what you are going to do, you are going to write the names of program. Now your program name is drama, dance, vocal music, instrumental music, one act, play. So you are going to leave one box and you are going to write all the names. Then your number of children. Now number of children or number of students in drama, it is given 24. First of all, you have to mark the thing, that is, we have to write the table of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Till 40. Why? Because the highest number over there is given 40. So till 40 we have to write the numbers on y axis. Now the next thing is what? You have to make a bar of all the program. Now drama, see first, drama it is given 24. So 24 number ke samne you have to make a bar of drama. Then next it is given dance. Dance is given 40. So in front of 40 you have to make bar. Then next is vocal music. Vocal music is given 16. So in front of 16 you have to make a bar. Then instrumental music is how much? Instrumental music is 8. So in front of 8 you will draw a bar. Then last one is one act play. One act play is how much? It is given 4. So here one act play may 4 students say. So in front of 4 you will draw a bar. So here you have completed the third question also. I hope you people have understood. And here we have completed our chapter number 6, that is bar graph.